ரைட் இப்போ வந்து நான் என்ன சொன்னேன், அன்றைய பார்த்த மாதிரி அமேசான் வெப்சைட்டில் போயிட்டு we need to automate the actions to add the product to the cart as we're going to buy it, right? So we have deleted all the work we have done before. I think I have deleted the tear down as well, which can stay. So let's go to Amazon. Buy new, yep, amazon.co.uk. Okay, click for, first step is to search for an item, say MacBook Air, and press on this button. So we need two elements from this page, and then we're going to click on the first item that comes with MacBook Air in the string. And then we want to add this to basket, right? So we're going to need, come to this URL, we need the element for this. Input type text, ID is to type search text box, copy that, go to the code. So we're going to have get driver dot find element by ID, which is dot clear, and then copy the same, but send keys with hard-coded MacBook Air. Now it's going to send this key into the search box, and then we want that to press or click on this button. The ID of that is, there's no ID, they gave a class, say nav input, grab it, call the get driver dot find element by class name, which is dot click. Cool. So we'll have a set of actions on one page. What else? Once we have done that, we'll go to this page. So we're going to check on the links of the results whether that's got the string MacBook Air இருந்தால் அந்த லிங்கில் click பண்ணோம். We make it simple to achieve. So this is the guide. Let's go and see. So let's inspect again to make sure that's the right person we're talking about. Yeah, it's got MacBook Air in the text. So how can I get this? Say copy export, grab a notepad, maybe it's a long way around, but I normally keep the command open, so convert this into a single quote. Now we telling the driver to go and find that first link. We're not sure what we're going to do by the XPath. That's given. What are we going to do? Just click on, we need to check what's got what is there as in the string or text. So get text. So it's going to return a string. So we're going to have to save it somewhere in a string variable. Right, and then we give an if condition, say if text contains which one, MacBook Air, then grab the same element and click. If that hasn't got the required string on it, which is MacBook Air, there should be an issue. Printer. Okay, say something about that. So that's going to click on it. So we assume that it has clicked on it. So now we're going to wait for this page to load and then check if this button, add to basket button, is present, because if the product is not in stock, it won't be there, I assume. So this is the guy. I might miss it again. It's the downside of Chrome's developer tool. Oh. So I want to right click and inspect. Okay, input, right click and inspect. Add to cart button, the name is here. Sorry, the ID. So grab it. Okay, now we're going to give a wait slip for a second, say 3 seconds, just in case. So get driver dot find element. There are two. I want to go like this, find elements by dot id, which is this dot size. Why am I grabbing an integer here? Because I want to see whether that element is there, that card button is there or not. So I'm defining an int a and assigning to the value I'm going to get from the number of elements with the ID. So if a equals 1, we're going to match it, so that's not assigning. So to match we need to put double equals. If a is equal to 1, then click on that element. Element, so I'm getting rid of the s there. So the when I clicked, and if else if a is equal to 0, system dot r dot println, just say no elements. Okay, also if we gave two conditions and we leave the third one open. So to leave open, we don't need to give any values or conditions of the a. What the other case would be, there are more than one element, so that is not good for Selenium. It will still work by clicking the first element, or the one has the index, smallest index. Okay, there are more than one element on the page with the given locator in the page. Unlikely to happen, but we're handling it. So format it. But you can give spaces as well to make it look bit readable, easily readable, and then keep the chunks of the code separate from the chunk that is doing a different action. So we waited these all are from here to here supposed to do what are the set of performing set of actions which are in one page. So this is separate to this one, so particularly. So I hope that will work. Click it, select all and save. This time we are not interested. I think I didn't tell the driver to go to this URL, so it's going to fail. I closed it. I have this bug on the Windows, I have to come on. So first of all, we need to tell the driver where to go. Get driver dot get Control S. Now he knows where to go and do the test. Let's see. Yeah, there's no problem with that. There's no error messages. We can, to see happy message, you can add some text here as well. If you did for positive side of it. Okay. Like going to click. I'm going to happy days. Yeah, Control S, and you will see that in the logs. So this is another area we were discussing before, and most of you completed, most of you not. So this is something for a reference. Okay, thank you.